Hello friend, welcome to Techno Enable, and in this video I'm going to tell you about how to create the CentOS 7 virtual machine using VMPlayer. See, I have VMware Workstation, so I'm going to create the virtual machine using VMware Workstation. Secondary, you needed the ISO file. You can download it from the net from the CentOS site. I will share the URL to download the ISO file in the descriptions. So let's begin. We have to create the new machine, so I'm going to click on this link. It's a create a new virtual machine. A pop-up window will come. Select the typical and click on the next. Here's the three options, so I'm going to select I will install the operating system later and click on the next one. Here select the Linux, okay, and you can choose the CentOS 64-bit from the list and click on the next button. Here you can change the name of the operating system or virtual machine, like I'm going to enter my VM CentOS 64-bit -my VM. You can enter the new location. It's a default location, but I'm going to enter my own location where I want to keep it in C virtual machine. Click on the new CentOS 7 -new. Click OK and then click on the next part. Here the options that you can increase or decrease the disk size based on your requirement. Here the two options: store virtual disk in a single file, or you can split virtual disk into multiple files. I'm going to select store virtual disk in a single file and click on the next button. Here you can review the setting and click on the finish. As you can see, a new tab is open here and you can review the settings. Click on this one, click on the edit virtual machine setting, because we did not enter the ISO file path yet. So click on the CD/DVD icon, and here is the option use ISO image file. Click on that one and then click on browse button. Go to your ISO file. It is CentOS 7. Click on that one and open it and click OK button. Okay, again I'm going to click on the edit button. You can increase your memory size from here. For example, I'm going to increase it to 2 GB RAM, and you can increase the processor from here. You can change you can choose the network connection type from here. It could be Breeze, NAT, host only, custom. I'm going to click on the Breeze here, and these are the rest options. You can change based on your requirement. Now I'm going to click OK and click on the power on this virtual machine. So the installations process is begin. Okay, now go inside and click enter. Again click enter. See, as you can see, the process is started. And this process will take few minutes, and then it will ask some more detail about the virtual machine. So let it be completed. Starting installer. One moment. See, as you can see, a new window is opened here. It asking about your language, so I'm gonna to choose English United States and click on the continue. Scroll up. It will ask you about the date and time. I'm going to keep it default New York. You can change based on your requirement or your location. You can choose the keyboard. I'm gonna to keep it English US. Click on done. It will ask you about, see here the options, minimum installations as of now, but you can make it based on your requirement. Okay, I wanted to use this virtual machine as a desktop, so I'm going to click on this option. On click this, there's so many options is came on the right side. I'm going to select all one by one and then click on the done button. As you can see, it's doing something on back end, so just wait for a few seconds. It's checking the dependency. It's done. Now click on this installation destination. It should be selected and click on done. Just wait for a few seconds and here it's done. Now you can begin your installations. Click on this button and you can set your password for your root user. I'm going to enter my password, confirm password and click on done. You can create any user from here, so I'm going to create admin user. Enter it's my username, enter the password and click on done. Okay, this process will take time, near about 1 hour. Just wait and I'm going to pause the video and I'll be back whenever the process is completed. Hello friend, I'm back. As you can see, the process is completed and it's asking about to reboot the operating system. So I'm going to click on the reboot button. Here it asking about the license agreement. So click on 1, enter 1. And then 2. As you can see, it's selected. The 2 is selected. Now I'm going to enter C. Enter. Enter again C. Done. Here you can see the login options. Click on this one. Enter your password. And this is your operating system. As you can see, it's a home directory. Here's the options. And now your virtual machine is ready for use. Click on the next. It's a default setting. Start using CentOS Linux. Click on OK. Now your virtual machine is ready. So thanks to watching the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.